This is a 12 amp hour LiFePO4 battery. You have safety caps, please remove them. You have some instruction paperwork to read up on. It has a BSM system to protect from low voltage. Can be fully charged in 6 hours and 2.4 hours. Different types of charging, discharging, and all the information you need to know. You're going to take some lead, strip, make up your wire connections, add to your battery correctly after the other end is hooked up. With the 12.8 12 amp battery, we're going to be adding it to a controller by simply placing in our leads. We're going to take the other ends and secure it correctly by plugging in our tabs. We have power, and we're going to go and set up for LiFePO4 battery. And charge it to the solar panel. Our battery is charging by the solar panel at 13.4 volts. It'll take a number of hours to charge and discharge. It allows us to run our plant light, choose the color we want, and put it on the timer and rerun each and every day. XZNY of 12 amp hours running a light all day long would give us a long run time. Check online for further details about your battery, how many amp hours you need, and the size you require. I hope you enjoyed this battery LiFePO4 12 amp hour. Enjoy your project if this is right for you.